We often walk on it, plant on it, and build on it, but we rarely think about it. I'm Ira, and today we are talking about something vital yet often overlooked: soil erosion.
I'm Shala, and though it may sound simple, soil erosion is one of the most environmental problems, affecting our foods, our forests, and even our water.
I'm Junmar. We lose around 24 billion of fertile soil every year worldwide. Once it's gone, it takes hundreds of years to build.
I'm Gian. In this video, we'll explore what soil erosion is, its cause, effects, and how agroforestry prevent it.
And I'm Ricky. Let's discover why protecting the soil means protecting life itself.
Soil erosion is the wearing away of top layer of the soil, the layer that rich in nutrients and organic matter that plant needs to grow.
This topsoil is like a skin of the earth. It supports crops, forests, and ecosystem. But when it's gone, the land becomes less fertile and harder to farm.
And flowing water naturally remove soil, but when vegetation is removed or when land is poorly managed, erosion speeds up.
Over time, this causes the soil to lose its structure and nutrients. You may not see it every day, but it's slowly reshaping our landscape.
And remember, it's not just them being weed away. It's like productivity and condition of our environment.
And now, let's talk about what causes soil erosion.
One major cause is deforestation. When trees are cut down, the roots that hold the soil together disappear. Without the natural anchor, rain easily washes the soil away.
Another cause is unsustainable farming practices like continuous plowing, monocropping, and leaving soil bare after harvest. This exposes soil from rainfall and wind.
Overgrazing is also a problem when the two animals feed on the same land. The trees and shrubs that protects the soil are stripped away.
Constructions and minings disturb large area of soil. No vegetation cover heavy rainfall easy carry soil into rivers and drainage area.
Finally, climate change is making it worse. Stronger rains, flash floods, and larger droughts all accelerate erosion.
There are different types of erosion.
Sheet erosion happens when a thin layer of soil it removes evenly, often unnoticed until productivity drops.
Real erosion forms a small channels on the soil surface after a heavy rain.
Gully erosion is more severe. Deep cuts in the land that makes farming impossible.
And in dry, open areas, wind erosion blows away fine particles, forming storm dust and reducing soil quality.
So what happens when soil erosion continues?
First, we lose soil fertility. The nutrients-rich top layer disappears, leaving poor, compacted soil behind.
Second, eroded soils end up on rivers and lakes, causing sedimentation. This clogs waterways, increases flooding, and harms aquatic life.
Erosion also leads to land degradation, turning one productive farmlands into dry and fertile land.
And it affects people directly. Farmer face lower yields and higher costs. Communities near rivers deal with floods and muddy water.
Even climate change worsens as vegetation lose means less carbon absorbed by plants.
It's all connected. The soil, the water, the trees, and us. When one is damaged, everything else follows.
And thankfully, there are ways to fight back. And one of the most effective is agroforestry.
Agroforestry is the practice of growing trees and crops together. It protects the soil while giving farmers multiple sources of income.
The roots of trees hold the soil firmly in place. Their leaves reduce the force of rain hitting the ground, while the pollen litters adds nutrients back to the soil.
Sloping lands, agroforestry practices like contour planting, hedge growth help slow down water flows, trapping soil and moisture.
It's a system that works with nature, not against it, keeping the land productive and resilient.
In the Philippines, soil erosion is a major issue in upland area, but agroforestry is already helping.
Farmers in the Philippines planting fruits, trees, and timber species and crops together to restore degraded lands.
Government programs like national greening programs and community-based forest management promote agroforestry to protect watersheds and improve livelihoods.
These effects show that with teamwork between communities, government, and youth, we can restore the health of our soil.
Soil erosion may start small, just a few drops of rain carrying soil downhill, but its impact can last for generations.
If we lose our soil, we lose our food, our water, and every ground of sustain us.
But when we plant trees, protect our slopes, and practice sustainable land use, we build resilience from the ground up.
Agroforestry reminds us that forests and farms can work together, not in conflict, but in cooperation.
Let's be the generation that protects the earth from the ground beneath our feet. Let's protect our soil. Let's grow trees and let's grow life.